Hey guys, Ben here. In today's video, we're talking about the things you should do selling your house and to really sell it fast. One would be declutter and take down family memorabilia. I know you're really attached to them. This picture of grandma, she gave it to you, a long time ago. We cherish those memories. However, to sell your house, you have to keep in mind that the buyer's going to go through. You want them to be able to make their own memories of the property. So you want to take down anything that's unique to you, personal to you. Take out all the knickknacks and whatnot that's all over the place. Clear all that mess up to be able to, so the buyer can envision themselves in your property. The second would be you want to price it right. Price it right meaning not just looking at what Zillow said. Online valuations, although they do give you an idea what your property might be worth, however, they're not just the Bible on that topic. Usually with that, I recommend consulting with an agent, maybe a realtor in your area. Reach out to them and ask them to come in and give you a valuation on the property for you to be able to see what the market can support and what the market will give you for your property. You can also call us because we do offer that service as well. We'll come in, take a look at the property for you, and kind of like give you an estimate of what we think it's worth. Then from there and there, also give you no obligation, all cash fair offer for your property. Third, I would say make your property enticing. Throw a coat of paint. You'd be surprised how far paint goes. You do, just clean up and maybe clean the yard. Maybe paint the house, the exterior of the house, replace the roof if needs be. The necessary repairs that you need to do because they've been lingering for a while. We call that deferred maintenance. You take care of these things so the buyer that comes in doesn't see a whole lot of work, when they're walking through the property. That you're seeing something that they can come home and move right into. Now, before you start, breaking out your hammer and swinging away, I recommend you actually reach out to an inspector, home inspector, have them walk through the property with you to tell you what you should do and what you shouldn't do, all the list of all the repairs that need to be taken care of before you actually start, working. So then from there, you can determine your budget, seeing, all right, fine, I need to replace the roof's a must. The windows are older, do I need to replace them? Or maybe I can offer a credit for that, right? The exterior needs a coat of paint. How expensive would it be to paint the house? Versus, it's all carpet everywhere and there's hardwood underneath and you have to resand the whole house, move things around, replace the cabinets. So you really want to keep in mind what the big ticket items are and you determine what's in your budget to be able to repair. Lastly, get all your paperwork in order. I know you may have lived in this house in 20, 30 years. Since then, you've done new HVAC, you've done, you install a new fridge, new dishwasher. All these little appliances come with manuals, and these manuals sometimes are very necessary for the new buyer to know how to operate the specific item, right? So having all that stuff ready to go to hand over to the new buyer makes the process easier, and they know what they get themselves into. Another thing would be, surveys, right, or permits, all that stuff. Have it ready and available for as you go through the sales process. Everything's ready to go. It only makes it smoother, and these buyers can move in right as soon as possible, and you get your check back as soon as possible. Now, if you've done all this and your house is still sitting, it's sitting and sitting, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll take a look at it, see what's going on, see what we can do, see what we can offer you. You never know. Maybe, we'll be able to give you an offer that makes sense for you, is fair, it's gonna be all cash, and that's how we operate, and we can take it from there. In any event, my name is Ben. My website is listed below, as is my number. The website is NJ Local Homebuyers.com. Please feel free to reach out. Look forward to speaking with you.